Hello devs, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn Toast in ReactJS. We have npm package for Toast. So this is my React project and this is my live server. And to install npm package, you need to go Google and search for React or Toast, and this is official website. I'm going for React Hot Toast official website, and you can see make me a toast. So if you click on this button, and you can see here is your toast, and this is what your toast. So this is our installation and user guide and install package and add toast to your React project and start toasting. And this is different types of toastings. If you want success toast, you can use success function, and if you want error toast, and you can use error toast, and if you want promise toast, if you want multi-line toast, you can use multi-line, and if you want emoji, you can use emoji toast. And this is how you can use emoji toast. You simply pass our text, and you can pass emoji which you want. And if you want dark toast, you can use this code for dark toast. And these are the positions. If you want your toast in top center, by default toast bar toaster is located at top center. If you want to change the position of your toast, and you can change it here. So you can see top left, you can see my toast is at top left corner. And if you want top right, and you can change position to top right. And if you want bottom left, bottom center, and bottom right. Okay, now let's go for documentation. And you can see you can use with yarn, and you can also install with npm. So to install React Hot Toast, simply copy this npm command, npm install, and go to our React project and open up our terminal, and simply copy npm command. Let's run our command. So my npm package is installed successfully. And let's go for documentation. This is installation guide, and go for basic usage guide. So you need to import toast and toaster from React Hot Toast. So simply copy this line of code and paste it in our React project. So I'm imported my toast and toaster as well from my React Hot Toast package. Go for documentation, and you need to include our toaster in our HTML. So simply include our toaster in our HTML JSX file, and you take a button, and you take on click function for the for that button, and you need to pass a function. When you click on a button, this notify function will trigger, and this will toast a message. Here is our toast. So let's take a button. button toast. I'm taking on click function on click toast. Let's say get toast. So I'm expanding my function get toast. So in this function you need to pass our toast hello from toast. This is my message. You can give any message which you want. Let's go for live server, and this is my toast button. If I click on my toast, and you can see my toast hello from toast. So this is a normal toast, and if you want a success toast, you simply pass a success function. So let's click again, and you can see success toast. So for your convenience, I'm giving styling to my button. First name, background as black, and text white, padding to rounded my corners. So this is my toast. If I click on my toast button, and you can see success toast. If you want error toast, to simply replace success with error toast. Let's click again, and you can see hello from toast. This is my error toast. So if you want toast with loading animation, you simply pass loading. Let's click again. You can see hello toast with loading animation. So this is how you can use toast in your React project. And if you want your toast bar at top left corner, and you can change position here at toaster component position. If you want top left, so I'm changing my position toaster position from top center to top left. By default, the position of my toaster is top center, so I'm changing my position to top left, and you can see my toaster is let's quickly refresh, and let's click toast, and you can see toast is at top left. If you want uh, toaster at top right, you simply change position to top right, and you can see hello from toast. Let's make it success hello from toast. If you want bottom right, you simply bottom right. Let's refresh and click on toast, and you can see my toast is at bottom right. So this is how you can simply install an npm package React hot toast.